Chapter 1 Solid State 12 Signs Part 6 Types of Voids. Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. Watch the videos, like and subscribe it for clarification. In this video, we will be studying about different types of voids, their arrangement and numericals based on it. Voids are the holes or depressions present in the closed packed spheres in 3 dimensions. Generally, voids are of two types, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. In the figure, a tetrahedral void is shown. A regular tetrahedron formed when 4 spheres are arranged tetrahedrally is known as a tetrahedral void. Hence, when 4 spheres are arranged, the hole or the depression formed in between them is known as tetrahedral void. It is triangular in shape, but the arrangement is tetrahedral. The empty space inside these 4 spheres is called as tetrahedral void. Mostly tetrahedral voids are located in FCC or CCP structures. Tetrahedral voids are twice the number of atoms present. When 6 spheres are arranged octahedrally, the empty space between them is known as octahedral voids. In simple way, we can say when 2 equilateral triangles are placed with their apices in opposite direction, then the empty space between them is known as octahedral void. It is formed when 6 spheres are arranged octahedrally. The number of octahedral voids is same as the number of atoms. Let the total number of closed packed spheres be capital N. Then the number of octahedral voids is also same as the closed packed sphere, that is N. And the number of tetrahedral voids is twice the number of closed packed spheres. Let us see the numerical based on voids. A compound is made up of elements X and Y. So it is made up of 2 elements, X and element Y. Atoms of Y forms HCP structure. It is forming HCP structure. So for forming any HCP structure, the corners has to be occupied. You know that there are 8 corners and each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. So each unit cell gets 1/8th portion of that. So 8 into 1/8 gives you 1 number of atom. So who is forming this HCP structure? Y is forming HCP structure. So Y is occupying the corners. So 8 into 1/8 means 1 atom. So that is why we are putting it as unity. Now the atoms of X is occupying 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. For the time being, forget this tetrahedral. It is occupying 2/3 of voids. So who is occupying the voids? X. So it is 2/3 part of X is being occupied. Now what type of void is that? Tetrahedral void. We have already studied that if there are n number of closed packed spheres, then the number of tetrahedral voids is 2n. So if we are having 1 as the number of closed packed spheres, then the number of tetrahedral voids will be twice of that. So 2/3 portion of what? So I am just putting 2 here because it is twice the number of this. So 2 into and 2 by 3rd portion is occupied. Simplify it. So it is 4 by 3 is to 1. So 4 is to 3 if I take 3 on this side. Now in this case we don't need to make cross multiplication. So what is the formula of the compound now? Directly x is 4. So formula of the compound is x4 y3. Let us see another type of numerical. A compound is made up of elements A and B. That means we are having element A and element B which forms the compound. Atom of B forms CCP structure, cubic close packed structure. So for that purpose the corners need to be occupied and each corner gives 1 by 8 atom to the unit cell. So 8 into 1 by 8 makes it unity. So who is forming the CCP structure? B is forming the CCP structure. So let us take B as unity. Now the atoms of A is occupying 1 by 3rd part of the voids. So 1 by 3. What type of void it is? Octahedral voids. We already have studied that if there are n number of close packed spheres, the number of octahedral voids occupied is also n. So if we are having 1 as the close packed sphere, so it will be 1 only. So 1 multiplied, you can ignore this 1 also. So 1 into 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Here if it is tetrahedral voids, then we will be multiplying it by 2. So now it is 1 by 3 is to 1. Take 3 on this side. So 1 is to 3. So what is the formula of this? We will take directly A1B3 or you can directly put it as AB3.